Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to simply send assets from your Ledger Nano X. To do it, you'll need to use either the Ledger Live app on your mobile phone or Ledger Live Desktop on your computer. And once that's done, basically you'll need to unlock your device first to use it. Then I'm gonna quit the app and select the app from which you want to send assets from. So I'll be sending over Solana. Then you can see application is ready. So in the app, I can just go to wallet, then click on send, select what do I want to send. I want to send Solana. Now you can scan a QR code or enter address of the recipient. I'm actually gonna copy the address from like my Coinbase app. So I'll just go to receive crypto and select Solana, then copy my address and let's paste it here. You can also add a memo. Let's continue. Okay, let's just click on don't add a tag, but if you need to add a tag, of course you'll need to add it. I'm gonna try to use the max, and then click on continue. But of course, if you don't use the max amount, then you'll need to enter it manually, the amount that you want to send. Then let's click on continue, select the device, but it's already opened. So let's verify it on the device now. Approve it with 2 buttons, of course, and now it is connected. And that's basically how you send assets from the Ledger Nano X. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.